For thousands of years, humans have fasted, for spiritual clarity, for tradition, or simply out of necessity. But today, cutting-edge science is revealing something extraordinary. Fasting might be one of the most powerful tools we have to fight modern diseases. From diabetes to cancer, Alzheimer's to heart disease, research is piling up. So, how does abstaining from food heal the body? Let's dive into the science. Let's start with autophagy, a term that won Yoshinori Ohsumi the 2016 Nobel Prize in Medicine. Autophagy, meaning self-eating, is the body's recycling system. When you fast for 12 to 24 hours, your cells enter survival mode, breaking down damaged components and recycling them into energy. Think of it as a cellular detox. A 2018 study in Cell found that fasting-induced autophagy can literally clear out toxic proteins linked to Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. In mice, fasting delayed cognitive decline by 50%. And in humans, a 2021 trial in Nature. A 2021 trial in Nature Aging showed that cycles of fasting improved markers of neurodegeneration in high-risk patients. The lead researcher called it a reset button for the brain. Now let's talk about diabetes. In a groundbreaking 2019 study published in JAMA, participants with type 2 diabetes who followed intermittent fasting, eating only within an 8-hour window, reversed their insulin resistance in just 12 weeks. Their bodies became more efficient at using glucose, no medication. But how? Fasting lowers insulin levels, forcing the body to burn stored fat. This process also reduces inflammation, a key driver of metabolic diseases. Dr. Jason Fung, a nephrologist, has documented cases where fasting allowed patients to quit insulin injections entirely. Of course, this isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, but the data is undeniable. Perhaps the most provocative research is fasting's role in cancer. A 2022 review in Science highlighted that fasting may protect healthy cells during chemotherapy while making cancer cells more vulnerable. Take this 2011 case study from Aging. A woman with ovarian cancer fasted for 72 hours before chemo. She experienced fewer side effects, and her tumors shrank significantly compared to non-fasting patients. Researchers believe fasting starves cancer cells of glucose, their primary fuel, while boosting immunity. But experts caution, this is still experimental. Fasting isn't a cure, yet it's a tantalizing adjuvant therapy. What about your heart? A 5-year trial published in the New England Journal of Medicine, 2020, followed 2,000 participants practicing alternate-day fasting. Results: a 30% drop in LDL cholesterol, lower blood pressure, and reduced arterial plaque. Fasting triggers the production of ketones, which act like fuel for the heart, improving resilience. And longevity? Studies on centenarians in blue zones show many practice regular fasting. In mice, fasting extends lifespan by up to 40%. While human trials are ongoing, the link between fasting and longevity is hard to ignore. Here's the twist. Fasting doesn't just heal the body, it transforms the mind. A 2023 paper in PNAS found that fasting increases BDNF, a protein that repairs neurons and lifts mood. Patients with depression reported significant symptom reduction after 6 months of time-restricted eating. But there's a caveat: extreme fasting can backfire. Always consult a doctor, especially if you have a history of eating disorders. Ready to try? Start slow. The 16:8 method, fasting for 16 hours daily, is beginner-friendly. For longer fasts, hydration and electrolytes are key. Always listen to your body. Dizziness or fatigue means stop. Avoid fasting if you're pregnant, underweight, or have chronic conditions without medical supervision. Fasting isn't magic, it's biology. By tapping into our evolutionary survival mechanisms, we might have found a way to combat the diseases of our time. But remember, science evolves. Always partner with your doctor and stay curious. If this video sparked your interest, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what topic should we explore next? Stay hungry for knowledge, but maybe not for food. See you next time.